This is Tony Regis reporting from the Philippines. The oil industry of India has faced a tremendously challenging month. From being tremendously ready to face and fight off other economies through the talks between Iran and India, Indian oil refineries and the whole Indian oil industry has faced a turn of events when India started to back out in their dealings with Iran. Iran has been giving oil to the refineries based on India since the beginning of the years, and critics have looked at this development as a development to look out for, since India and Iran are now becoming very much in line and in sync with each other. Some economists even predicted that India will become a good economy once they face the world better with a better industry in one of the most indispensable natural resources. Since the problem is based in India, the problem now should be addressed in India. That is through new equity funding that the Oilex, a company in India, is hoping to get from their government. Government funding would now play a pivotal role in the economy of India. Pump priming of the government funds will provide a buffer for the economies that needs to have that delicate way of addressing the very delicate situation of insolvency among corporations. In terms of the government's new equity funding, and in line with the new economic terms of India, a new Chief Operating Officer, or COO, will try to lead the very development of the Cambay tight oil and gas project in the India's Gujarat state. What does this mean? India will have to be self-sufficient and have India's own oil reserves instead of importing from US-sanctioned countries like that of Iran. India's new self-sufficing economic oil industry model will have to work, or else India will see a fast economic decline in the following years. Tony Regis, Philippines.